Hey, we're back. This is Charlie.
And this is Olivia.
Welcome back to Science Ninja TV.
Bringing
Hands-on science to everyone. Pufferfish. Pufferfish are some of the coolest fish in the ocean, and they have the special ability to make their bodies bigger by stretching their elastic stomachs.
This is a unique adaptation that allows them to scare predators. We're going to recreate this adaptation using balloons and a very special chemical reaction.
With our balloons first, we're going to blow into them to expand the polymers, and this is going to make it easier for the balloon to stretch. After this, we'll deflate our balloon again, and we'll each take a Sharpie and draw a face. So you want to do the spikes, and you want some eyes and a mouth. The way we're going to expand these balloons, we're not going to use our breath again, we're going to use a chemical reaction. So if you want to stretch open your balloon.
This is baking soda. This is white vinegar.
In this experiment, we'll be combining baking soda and vinegar to create a gas called carbon dioxide. That's the same type of gas used in fizzy drinks.
Use a funnel to carefully fill the balloon with 4 spatulas of baking soda.
Fill the finger of a glove with 2 full syringes of vinegar, and then secure it tightly with a rubber band.
Carefully place the glove finger inside the balloon and tie your balloon as tight as possible. We're going to take your hands and make a fist, and you're going to really confidently and strong bang the
Smash it!
Okay, you'll start to see this expand. So what's happened is the elastic band on the white vinegar has burst, and the white vinegar and the baking soda are reacting. So we call this an endothermic reaction. So if you feel it, it's quite cold. So what it's doing is it's taking energy from its surroundings and bringing them in to make the reaction. You can hear it.
It's fizzing.
See
See you next time!